Hello techies. Alright, we have our tags here on the left pane, which is to disable the Broadcom network adapter, disable and update the Realtek network adapter, roll back the video card driver, connect the Ethernet cable to the integrated Realtek adapter. Alright, let's start up. Right click on start menu, go to Disk Manager. While you're in Disk Manager, we are going to open up this pane, network adapters, and the first tag says disable Broadcom network adapter. This is Broadcom. We are going to disable. Click yes, and enable and update the Realtek network adapter. This is Realtek. We have to enable and then update driver, search automatically. Alright, so this has been updated. We close. What else? We have to roll back the video card driver. Okay, so let's close up this. The video card should be around display, and the only one we have there is ATI Radeon. So I guess that will be it. So we are going to go to properties, go to drivers, and roll back driver. We'll click on this, click yes, okay, that is done. The next thing we're going to do is connect the Ethernet cable to the integrated Realtek adapter. Alright, so this is physical work we need to do here. So let's go to Office 2, and this is our computer. We'll go to the back, and this video card has been disabled, so it is not being used anymore. So we are going to unplug it from here and take it to the dedicated integrated Realtek adapter. Rather, plug it in there, and that should do. So we'll go back to the front and let's see what we did. Everything is 100% correct here. If this was helpful, consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.